Human civilization create one activity more dangerous than mammoth hunt. Driving. Primitive brain watch modern humans operate 2-ton metal wagon while texting, drinking coffee, changing music, and spiritually disconnecting from reality. So honestly, dashcam made perfect sense. This ROVE are 2-4K dual dashcam, basically tiny car security goblet that record everything. Front camera, rear camera, 24-hour parking mode. Human car now more protected than ancient king treasure cave. And unlike many modern gadgets, this thing actually useful every single day. That important. Caveman tired of the wheel machine that connected at just to toast bread emotionally. This camera records beautiful crispy 4K footage using fancy star mist 2 sensor, which basically means human can finally identify idiot clearly, especially at night. Primitive brain impressed by how clear footage look in darkness. Back in cave days, nighttime visibility was hope for best. Now cars see better than owl. Also comes with free 128 gigabytes memory card. Thank you. Human companies usually sell gadget, then immediately say, oh, tiny important part sold separately. Civilization exhausting. Another surprisingly useful thing, fast Wi-Fi transfer. You can pull footage onto phone quickly instead of fighting ancient USB cable like cave warrior battling snake. And parking mode, honestly huge. Because modern humans hit parked cars then disappear faster than tribe member who owe berries. This thing perfect for commuters, rideshare drivers, road trips, or anybody living near chaotic parking lots. If human drive, often cavemen genuinely think dashcam's smarter investment than many overpriced car accessories. Primitive approval. Actually genius.